Hi, today we are diving deep into the world of oil painting as we explore the art of varnishing your finished artwork with Winsor & Newton Artist Varnish. So let's get started. In this video, I'll show you how I varnish two of my finished recent oil paintings. The one which you are seeing on the screen right now, and the landscape I recently completed. And video for both of these oil paintings are on my YouTube channel. I'll leave the link in the description. Let's talk about the importance of varnishing. Why do you need to varnish your oil painting or the acrylic painting or any kind of painting for that matter? Varnishing isn't just the final step in creating your masterpiece. It's a crucial process that ensures longevity, protects against the environmental factors, and also it enhances your color. Let's find out how to do it right. Before we begin, let's gather our supplies. I'll show you the things which are needed. First of all, you need any kind of soft brush to clean the surface of the painting. I'll show you how it's done. You need something to apply the varnish on the oil painting. These are sponge brushes. You can easily get it from the local art store. You can either use this, or there are soft brushes, soft flat brushes available, which you can use to do the same. Coming on to the most important thing are the varnishes. In this video I'm going to use the Winsor & Newton Artist Varnish. This is a gloss finish. You also get them in matte finish. You have the option of using spray varnish as well. If you have seen in my previous video, I have done varnishing for one of my oil paintings, couple of them, using this spray varnish. This is really quick to apply, but then I have found that it leaves some kind of white residue on the surface, which I do not like. So I will be going forward using Winsor & Newton varnish. Get a pair of gloves and face mask as well. Unfortunately, I do not have hand gloves with me right now, but I would suggest you use the hand gloves. Make sure you're working in a dust-free, well-ventilated room, because the surface where you apply the varnish will be very sticky and it will catch even the slightest of dust. Make sure your painting has got enough time to cure and dry. The oil paintings done with the medium linseed oil can take up to 6 months to dry. Because I have used liquid original, which is an alkyd medium, it dries pretty fast. My painting has taken somewhere around 4 weeks to completely dry. You can see that it is completely dry to touch and safe to start varnishing. Let's start cleaning the surface. You can use a lint free cloth, or like I mentioned, the soft brush. Work on the surface very softly. Make sure any small lint on the surface goes away. Run your brush all over the surface. You have to be very careful that you do not damage the surface. Also be very careful on the areas where you might have added multiple layers of painting or thick painting. I have decided I'm going to use this sponge brush instead of the flat soft brush. And to start with, let us pour varnish on the surface. Pour a small amount on the surface directly. You can see how the color pops. Take a sponge brush and slowly and softly spread the varnish all across the surface. Make sure it is evenly spread. It really enhances the color. You have to make sure that there are no bubbles. You don't push the brush on the surface too hard. You just hold it very lightly and spread the varnish. Let me pour in some more. Winsor & Newton varnish takes 24 hours to dry before the second coat, and we are going to apply at least 2 or 3 coats, and you'll have to wait for 24 hours before you apply the second coat or the next coat. Giving enough time between the coats is really important.
Please share your valuable feedback in the comment box below. That will definitely help me make better videos in future.
So it has been little more than 24 hours and our painting is dry to touch. As you can see, varnish has dried up and we are ready for the second coat.
You can watch the full time-lapse video of this painting. I'll leave a link on top right corner of this video. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end. I'll see you in the next one. Please subscribe to my channel and click on this video if you would like to watch a landscape painting.